Have you ever wondered whether someone likes you or not? Trust me, being able to pick up on these subtle and signals can not only save you a ton of time but a ton of heartbreak as well. But if you can practice this art of deciphering between those who were worth your time and those who are not, it will make life a hell lot easier. The first amongst this is closed body language. There are two types of body languages, positive and negative. Positive is like very open type, like having a very good eye contact, open arms, genuine smile, those kind of things. Whereas negative is exact opposite of it, crossed arms, crossed legs, not making an eye contact. These are the things you have to notice to make sure that the opponent person is really not at all interested in talking or listening to you. This is the most interesting step. Remember who made the plans to hang out. Who called first, who texted first about hanging out or making plans for the weekend. And also notice whenever the opponent person is giving you enough reasons to bail you out or keep bawling themselves, you really have to notice that person is not at all interested in hanging out with you or spending time with you. And the third sign is when you're around people whom you really like a lot, things will be like very easy, breezy and cozy. But if you're with the people who really dislikes you, things will not be in the same way. And you will feel it in your gut. Always listen to your instincts. It never lies. So trust your instincts and move on. And always listens, value your thoughts, opinions, and most importantly, give you the floor to speak up. But the one who really doesn't like you, what will do? They'll obviously won't be happy with all these nice days. So they'll try to cut you short and they'll never listen to you. When you are with your favorite person or someone who likes you, you can talk from apple to zebra. If the relationship is good, the opponent person will be super excited to talk to you. If not, they won't be even replying you, and most of the replies will be okay, then fine. This will be always a single word. And you will never get to chat freely about your day or thoughts or anything you like. This is the most important sign to notice. Things are always forced and fake. So you'll always have to keep an eye out to distinguish between the real and fake smile, which is always easy to spot. When you're with the person you like, you'll be having this non-verbal behavior. That is, the opponent person who likes you will be copying your body style. That is, it could be your slang, dressing behavior, or it could be anything. That means that you are both connected, engaged, and you are like close friends. So when you're with the person who dislikes you, they never ever do this mirroring thing. Life is pretty cool when you're with people who really likes you and vice versa. So let's all believe in positivity, stay strong, and be happy with what you have.